Hey guys, and the gorgeous new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is finally here. I wanted to see how this beast holds up against the competition, which is OnePlus 8 Pro, the iPhone 11 Pro Max versus Xiaomi Mi 10 and the Galaxy S20 Plus in terms of the battery usage. So this video took me 10 continuous hours and I would really appreciate if you give a like and subscribe. Your support means a lot. So the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra comes with a massive 6.9 inches panel with a 4500 mAh battery. This is the same size which we get in the S20 Plus with a small 6.7 inches display. The OnePlus 8 Pro has 6.78 inches screen with a 4110 mAh battery. The iPhone 11 Pro Max gets a 6.5 inches small display with 3969 mAh battery, and finally the Xiaomi Mi 10 packs is 6.67 inches screen with a huge 4780 mAh battery. See, I'll use 60Hz plus full HD resolution in all these phones cause for a fair comparison. Yes, I may do 120Hz versus 120Hz versus 90Hz really soon, so make sure to subscribe. So kicking things with PUBG, and the graphics were set to max out HDR plus high cause that's what Exynos 990 supports right now. So 2 continuous hours and playing this game on a massive 6.9 inches screen is gonna be amazing for sure. But let's see how much battery it eats. So now the battery is 66% on the Note 20 Ultra, 69% on the OnePlus 8 Pro, 73% on the iPhone 11 Pro Max, 72% on Xiaomi Mi 10 and 67% on the S20 Plus. Now 3 continuous hours of YouTube at 1080p 60 fps. Let's go. So after this, the battery is 41% on the Note 20 Ultra, 48% on OnePlus 8 Pro, 50% on iPhone 11 Pro Max, 54% on Xiaomi and 43% on the S20 Plus. Now 1 hour Instagram, and you make sure to follow us on Insta for some amazing content and sneak peek on what's going on. So 31% on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, 40% on OnePlus, 43% on iPhone, 48% highest on Xiaomi Mi 10, and 34% on the S20 Plus. See, I personally use Chrome a lot for browsing, so on our Google Chrome, scrolling, images, and videos. Let's go. Okay guys, so the battery is now 24% on the Note 20 Ultra, 35% on the OnePlus 8 Pro, 37% on iPhone 11 Pro Max, and highest 44% on Xiaomi Mi 10, 27% on the S20 Plus. The final task: video camera usage 1080p 60fps for 30 minutes and 4K 60fps till the death. So the final results are quite shocking. The Note 20 Ultra went down first at 8 hours 20 minutes, which is an amazing job done with 6.9 inches huge display and Exynos 990 CPU. The S20 Plus was next at 8 hours 30 minutes, not bad for such high-end usage. And after 20 minutes, the OnePlus 8 Pro went down at 8 hours 52 minutes. Again, amazing job done there. The iPhone and Xiaomi, as always, nailing it down in drain test. iPhone went till freaking 9 hours 34 minutes, which is insane. Xiaomi Mi 10 9 hours 37 minutes. So my opinion, all were amazing. It depends on your usage. And that's all. Thanks so much for watching. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.